Hi there, we're looking at Netflix today, and NFLX is the ticker code, of course. Subsequent to earnings, of course, yesterday, along with the rest of the tech sector, Netflix got a bit of a battering, more so than most. And really, this is the perception that Southeast Asia is not playing the game in terms of buying what they have to offer. We look at the three time frames that we look at, and really what we're seeing is this thing called a wide bar. Now, this is a bar we often see on earnings, which is a single bar of unusually high volatility. And what we look for in this is a close towards the bottom, indicating there may be more downside pressure to this. In this situation, if we'd seen this in the last hour of trading, we may have been able to put a credit spread, a bear call spread, just above the wide bar there. We could have chosen one of the weekly options and taken perhaps a $2 difference rather than going at 105, 110 for a longer expiry. But the bottom line rule is with wide bars and Hawkeye is that we don't tend to enter anything directional until we've got the three time frames in alignment. And additionally, it's got to break the bottom of the wide bar. Now, this will turn into downtrend. There's our indicator, but we're never going to change from up to downtrend on a wide bar. So we'll have to wait, of course. With it closing towards the bottom, we'll see bright red volume that is high when it opens tonight, and we'll see that on the 2 day as well. So you'll see that we're really down to mid-February lows, and we could see it as low perhaps in the first instance of around about $87. So if we were to see a move below this in the last hour, if it's below 94.34, we may look to enter a put or a put spread, or we may be happy with our bear call spread just above the wide bar there. The other reason we would hesitate with a put on this is if we look at our weekly chart, we are still in congestion with green volume. We should see red coming in at the end of the week, so it may be more risky trade from that point of view in terms of not being as high a probability trade as we'd perhaps like. So that's what we're seeing on Netflix. We'd probably prefer the credit spread. While volatility is still high, we should see some reasonable premiums and yet still be able to keep it away from the action. Pre-market, we do see it up around about 68 cents. Be cautious with this. Let's see what the after knee-jerk response is and take it from there. And that's on our radar today. And that's just one of the trades I'm considering for today. So before we go, if you'd like to see everything I'm considering and see the trades I'm really taking, why not take a trial to my Options Elite alert and trading service? That way, you can see exactly how I find the best trades that can produce the largest returns whilst keeping the risk low. Just click on the link below and get started today. You'll be glad you did. See you soon.